Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the last day of March 2022. We're going to talk about Algorand today. All the Algo coin holders, you guys might want to watch this video before you head out because look at the price. Yeah, Algorand has been seeing a pretty good run up recently against my price prediction, albeit. But I'm going to talk about it today because we want to know whether or not this market is going to continue to go up in price. And you can actually tell that by simply looking at the price bars and the volume. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want you all to join the team and try to learn how to do this for yourself. So once you leave, before you leave, go ahead and drop me your price target, your price prediction for Algorand with a comment below so that you can try this out for yourself. All right. So real quick, I did a video in Algorand all the way back here on March the 11th. March the 11th was the last video I've done for Algorand. I was still playing the weakness in the market in Algorand, right? You guys can tell it didn't go down. I get it. I'm not going to get every price prediction correct. I'll be the first one to admit that. But it is also a learning opportunity for us to know when to cut the losses. Because so many people like to come in positions and they're being told that price is going to go up, but price continues to go down. And the market is actually letting you know that you need to go the opposite direction. If you were looking for the price in Algorand to go down and the market was giving you everything else outside of that, it wasn't showing you that it was weak, then at some point the market was letting us know that you need to cut that idea and go on with the rest of the crowd. So let me show you this first, and then I will go ahead and show you what I'm thinking the market in Algorand is going to do next. All right. So look at this. Here it is. The market in Algorand actually was doing pretty good following my price prediction because the market was within our price target area, minimal. We had what, 3 or 4 days to where the market, we could have garnered at least a minor amount of profitability out of this play, albeit it was only small, right? At the low of March the 13th, 14th, and the 15th, you could have got about 6.99%. Now that was the only thing that the market was going to offer us in terms of us expecting price to go down. Yeah, see, you don't want to come in and try to dictate and tell the market what you want. You just simply come in here and get what the market is offering to you. And at that particular time, they was only giving us 7%. That was it. The buyers came in and stood up in Algorand around 67, 68 cents. And the market's been going up since then. Now, let me show you at what point would you have recognized and said, okay, cool. Yeah, it doesn't look like the market is going to continue to go any lower. At what point, what day did that occur to let you know that you might want to cut this play out rather than continue to expect price to go down? Yeah, it was right here. Let me show it to you. This day right here told you that the buyers were dominating the market right here. March the 21st, 2022. Everyone was telling us, whoever participated to the market on that day was saying, hey, I'm trying to let this price go up rather than go down. How do I know that? Well, the market has a very wide spread comparative to what were before that, right? Look at these very small spread daily price bars. Those spreads were small, but then all of a sudden you get this wide spread on the 21st of March. Okay. And then on top of that, the volume came through on the 21st as well to show you that the majority of the market participants on that day was trying to push up Algorand's price. That was the day that you should have said, yeah, I need to go ahead and let this go. Because look at the market action now. Yeah, price went up. So the answer was there on March the 21st to let that play go. And if you did, that would have been what, 14% loss, rather than if you were to get out now at 35.5%. So would you rather have 35.5% or 14.25%? Exactly. 14.25% is a lot better. And the market was telling you then. So imagine if you would have gotten out of this last prediction that I did, right? Let's say you would have gotten out of it on right here on the 21st. And let's say that you would have rolled the market to higher prices. Let's say, okay, cool. If the market doesn't want to go down, I'll go ahead and go with everyone else and play the upside. You'll be up 18% today. All right, so check this out. Let's go ahead and talk about where do we think the price in Algorand is going to go next, because it's obvious this coin is in an uptrend, right? Very good uptrend right now. On a daily basis, the market in Algorand is still in an uptrend. We need to follow that. Back here in the background of the chart, keep your eyes open on this area right here, because we are recognizing a restriction area. So obviously, if you've been riding the market in Algorand since like the 21st, yeah, we're about to hit our head against $1, maybe around $1.05. That area is going to be a place, a location that the sellers might try to push down the price. How do I know that? Well, the answer has already been determined back here in February. Look at that. The market in Algorand could not even break above $1 for a couple of days here in the ending of January to the beginning of February. And then again, up there around $1.05. So yeah, as we continue to see this market move and Algorand go up, we have to keep our eyes open and be prepared for the sellers to try to sell the market. They're there. And we just got to figure out what location, what price are they at though. Okay. So I'm gonna hold that line there too as well. So you guys can kind of see where the conflict is going to occur, right? The seller's expectation is going to be around $1.05. Okay. And the buyers need to uphold this trend that we're currently following on the daily time frame. So now let's go ahead and look at the market in Algorand on the 3-day time frame. And we got 13 hours and 10 minutes left. And I'm here to tell you right now, in the next 13 hours, if the market price bar right here on this 3-day price bar looks the way that it looks now, yeah, I'm still playing some strength into the market in Algorand. And it's going to be up there around $1, $1.05 first for us to see the market in Algorand go. Now we will have to push the market out a little bit further for us to actually gauge where the market could go after that. Okay. And the next area could be around $1.25. Okay. So look at this on a 2 weeks time frame. This is the reason why we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Algorand. See, I'm one of the individuals, if the market is going against my idea, I have no issues with that, because there's only 3 logical directions that price can move. It could go up, it could go down, or it could go sideways. And looking at this on the 2 weekly price bar, this market in Algorand is definitely giving us some bullishness. I mean, even from a 2 weekly perspective, the price could hit $1.20 from that time frame. What about on a 3 weeks time frame? It looks the same. The 2 weekly price bar along with the 3 weekly price bar tells us that there's a lot of strength on those time frames, meaning that within that time span we could actually see Algorand go up here to $1.20, maybe $1.25. So basically what I'm telling you all is that yes, from the charts perspective, we are going to play the strength into the market. We're going to expect the market to continue to go up. The market is telling us that it wants to go up. So let's go ahead and play that. Okay. So switch this back over to the daily time frame. And from where price is currently, all right, we need to allow the market in Algorand continue its ability to go up. As long as price holds 80 cents right here, I'm going to play the strength into the market, right? So even if I do see price in Algorand come all the way down here to this 85-cent price, bounce off of this trend, and we continue to track higher, we got it. We already understand. We know that the market is still strong and that the buyers are still willing to take this price higher in Algorand. Now take a look at this. This $1 area, we got to keep our eyes open on that, like really right now. So if you're going to watch this video a little late past today, you might have missed out, because the sellers literally can come to the market now in Algorand, and we might start the weakness and price initially go down. Yeah, from out the gate of me completing this video, I get it. I'm putting you on notice right now about that. All right. So looking at this here, I'm looking for the price to go maybe to $1.05. That is 8.6%. My second area is going to be $1.20. That's around 22% movement higher in Algorand. All right. So this is it. I'm done. It's not hard, was it? It wasn't complicated. I'm simply showing you where the positions of the buyers and the sellers are at from a charts perspective, because this is what this really represents. These price bars and volume represent buying and selling. So all you have to do is learn how to interpret which one is actually winning. And right now, the buyers are winning. So now, real quick, like I told you earlier, hit me up. Give me your price target, your price prediction in the market for Algorand. Do you think the price is going to continue to go up? If so, how high do you think it's going to go before the sellers try to push down the price and sell their algos into the market? Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.